If you're wondering about the right label size for your product, we offer these free printable size guides to use as reference. These guides feature our product numbers, so once you have the size you like, all you have to do is look them up on our site and purchase the labels you're looking for. We'll have a link in the description below, or you can go to OnlineLabels.com, navigate to Design and Templates, then click Business Tools. Here, we have many other business tools you can use, but scroll down to Printable Guides and click on the size guide for the shape you're working with. This will open the PDF that you'll be able to download and print. Make sure you print at 100% scale, or your measurements will be off and you can order the wrong label size. Then, just cut out your shapes. Even just by holding these up to your products, you can get a good idea of what size you'll need. Measuring is one thing, but this gives you a visual of how much space your label will take up on your product. From there, just check the product number on the size that works best, and that's the product for you. You can search for it at OnlineLabels to order your labels in that size and in any material you need. You can try out our other business tools too, which are all free to use. You can generate any code, get printable PDFs, business calculators, and more. And of course, you can buy blank and custom labels, die-cut stickers, and more right there at OnlineLabels.com. So check it out and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.